Dear Bernadette, Chairperson, dear Desmond, Father Daniel, and dear friends. In 2000, when I was brought back from Bangalore after 14 years, one of the persons I was happy to encounter was Desmond, an old friend. I feel that, sometimes big companies emerge with big capital, but real great things start in a great dream and in a dreamer. And Desmond attributed the dream to Anita. But I think, like behind all great dreams, there is great love. It was the love of the Fulinfo family which resulted in this college as a loving gift to their father, Lawrence Fulinfo. And the architect of this dream, according to me, and maybe I am wrong, you can correct me, was Desmond. And he was definitely supported by that go-getter Anita. So the great love of the Fulinfo family will surely result in a great college. I don't mean to say that the Fulinfo College is any less today. It is a great college even today because it has the makings of a great college, the foundations on which great things are built. My association with Desmond dates back to 1884 when I went to the evening college. He came there, he was a teacher at Christ College of Mathematics. Then he said, Father, would you like to start a computer center? I got a calculator and an adding machine. We can start a computer center. So he said, all right, we'll put some money because I think computers is the thing here. And what else do you have? He says, I can teach computing. Because now a lot of engineering students want computer knowledge. So I said, go ahead. So I allotted a room to him, gave him all the encouragement, and the place prospered like magic. Because the makings of a successful college were there in Desmond Fulinfo. He was a good teacher, he could learn and teach. Even from a calculator, he could teach computers. And he could teach computing. He learned and he taught. Because computer science was not very well known. Even in engineering college, they did not have professors. So all these engineering students who had taken computer applications came to our college. Sundays, the place used to be crowded, and Desmond used to be there day and night. That was a very good association. Even today, that Evening College Computer Center has a name in the city. We have absorbed it into the Information Technology Academy of St. Joseph's College of Business Administration. I have inherited that. Computers have fallen disused today because there have been too many of these, and sciences come, sciences go down. The Fulinfo College is situated in idyllic locations. I think the college is meant for serious-minded people, students who really want to study and come up in life, who want to give something of their education back to society by way of a value-based commitment and a social purpose, be excellent in their studies. So all I can wish to Desmond and the Governing Council, Bernadette and all the members of the Governing Council for their labor of love is that they prosper. And Desmond Fulinfo, the principal now, and wish him all the best.